Hello everyone, this is Nissy from Kukuri, Japan. Today we are going to create a knowledge sharing site for your team in just 5 minutes.
Whoa, that fast?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, so let's take a look in the output. I show you an example site built with Google Sites, featuring images and links to 3 key NotebookLMs, covering onboarding, evaluation, and recruitment chat.
You can click, ask questions, and get answers. That makes everything way easier to find.
Great. So I'll show you how we can make it very quick. So let's get started. Step 1. Upload your company registration files to NotebookLM. Okay, Naruto, I tell you how to do it. Prepare the document you want to share. Open your NotebookLM. Click the plus button and add a new notebook. So one document per notebook. This helps the chatbot respond more accurately to each specific topic.
Yes, separating them makes the answers way more precise.
Get the shareable link like this. Add the people you want to share it with. Set their role to viewer. Add a welcome message or short explanation if needed. Set access to chat only so they can use the chatbot but not edit the content. And finally, just copy the link. Step 2. Now let's create your Google site. Open the app launcher, select Google Site. Click blank site to create a site. Enter knowledge sharing site as the title. You can also change the header's background image. Click on the title image and choose the one you want. Enter a brief description. Double-click in the blank space. Click on the text and enter it. For example, welcome to company site. Click below. You can get any information. So once you finish entering the information, you can customize the color. Just click section colors from the left-hand menu to change the styles. Feel free to choose any color you like. Set a title for each image. These will serve as entry points to notebooks we've already created. Click below the image to place your cursor, then double-click. Choose text and type in a description, just like we did with the onboarding chatbot. Finally, add the correct links to each image. Click on the image and you will see the third button from the left, insert link. Click on that. Insert the NotebookLM share link from earlier. And here it is, your smart, shareable knowledge hub.
That looks great.
To share your site, just click Publish, copy the link, and you're good to go. You can even share it with people outside your domain. Perfect for part-time staff or collaborators without a Google account. If you want to share it internally only, go to Share with Others and set the general access to your preferred audience. So how was that? In just 5 minutes, we created 3 chatbots that help your team easily find information and company regulations with Google Sites.
Honestly, that's a game changer for onboarding and daily questions.
Yes, before this, people were digging through papers or just giving up and asking you everything. But now, with NotebookLM, they can ask questions directly and get accurate answers instantly. With Google Sites, you can organize everything clearly and make it shareable with new staff and the entire team in just 5 minutes. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye!